Peterson. I just want to thank you guys to all your greetings to my birthday, and of course I just want to say thank you also for the people helping on my grand live stream during my birthday celebration. So thank you so much, Agos Dynasty, and especially Papa Enrique, kasi siya yung nag-introduce sa akin about sa Agos Dynasty. Ayan. So, Papa Licious ng Norway. Ayan, si Papa Enrique. So, I'm so very thankful that I meet you here in YouTube. So, ayun, nag-success ang aking Grand LS birthday celebration. So, yeah, thank you so much, Papa Enrique, and of course to your friends, Jetro Pai, Tim Rosales, Gelford TV, and Kiabot TV, and some of my other guests, especially Thomas Ayan TV and Enix, and of course Papa Tubo. I did not expect. So thank you so much. Nag-sponsor po siya ng 500 load sa ating mga viewers, and then mayroon siyang gift din na binigay sa ating viewers during my birthday last night. So thank you so much, Papa Tubo. Maraming salamat, and then sa mga tips na sinishare mo sa amin. So thank you for that. And wala na ba akong nakalimutan? Yan, na-mention ko na si Thomas Ayan TV, Jetro Pai, Papa Enrique, Enix, Papa Tubo, Martidon. Yeah, Martidon, the best singer. So thank you so much. He is also from Cebu, but I meet already Martidon. First I think from Makoy Santos vlog live stream, and if I'm not wrong, from Bing Carbonell. So ayan, isa sa pinakamagaling na kumanta, ayan, na nag-guest sa aking channel. So thank you so much, Martidon. And yeah, and then of course sa mga nag-a-attend ng aking grand live last night, thank you so much. And sa mga nagsusuper chat, Lisancho, Papa Tubo, Tiffany Nuez, and ang nagpa-member si John Dalvic TV, Tata Boy Chavez. Parang mayroon pa yung nag-super chat. So I'll check on it. So maraming salamat. At ayan, sinamahan nyo ako sa aking birthday celebration. So thank you so much. Kung wala kayo, hindi yun mabuo yung grand live stream ko. So maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. Kahit isang taon na po ako dito sa YouTube, parang nahihiya pa rin akong okay lang sa akin pag yung mga normal live streaming, but it was the first time na ginawa ko na magla-live during my birthday, and then I have some guests. So But I am so happy nagiging successful siya. So, and then hindi nyo ako iniwanan, sinamahan nyo ako. Maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng nagbigay sa akin ng mga greetings. I'm so touched. Parang 2 beses ko na yata na ulit pinapakinggan yung mga message nyo sa birthday ko. Maraming salamat. Tagus po sa puso. Maraming salamat talaga, as in. At yeah, sa lahat ng mga nag-greet sa Facebook, sa IG, sa mga sa Messenger. So, maraming salamat. And also, my friend here in Norway, maraming salamat sa inyong gift. And then, kahit konti lang ang aking na-invite kasi I hope makaintindi din yung iba kasi hindi talaga pwede pag maramihan because of the pandemic. So, and I hope I can invite some of my friends again. Parang batch na lang siya, batch. It's not like before na parang halos ng lahat ng friend ko dito sa Mo i Rana pwede kong ma-invite. But it's not like that because because of the pandemic. So once again, maraming salamat, especially Papa Enrique. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Even though bago pa lang tayong naging as in matagal na tayong magka-friend, pero yung paano ba ipaliwanag? Yung tight ng friendship. So, and then, thank you so much for helping me also to, na nabuo yung, ko, nang dahil din sa tulong mo. So, maraming salamat, bro. Thank you so much. And I hope we are close here in, so I hope one day we can do collaboration. Tromso and Mo i Rana, it's not so far. Just like I have been in Tromso. It's like if we drive, it's like 6 hours. So we don't know if you visit me here in Mo i Rana or I will visit you in Tromso. So let's see if it will be okay. Maybe in summer. So, ayan. So, I'm just say thank you everyone sa mga hindi ko na mention. Ayan, sa mga ayun, yung hindi ako iniwanan sa hanggang sa umpisa at sa end ng aking live stream. So, maraming salamat talaga. Especially Sisi, Maricel Canoy, John Dalvic Vlog TV. Ayan, maraming salamat. Tata Boy Chavez. Sila si Papa Tubo, Ayan TV, yung Team Dynasty. Maraming salamat. Kahit bago ko pa kayong naging kaibigan, sinusuportahan nyo na ako. So, maraming salamat. It's talaga. I really appreciate that. Yeah. So, thank you. And yeah, bye everyone. And of course, advance Merry Christmas. Bye.